How does someone leave a legacy? How could a simple blacksmith design his first snowplow? A design that would lead the way to what followed for generations to come. With passion, with rigorous work ethics, with dedication to his community. Our history spans over 90 years, and we continue to grow. The reason for this? Because we're always moving forward. We work with those who secure our roads and hunt the winter. The people who never back down because you rely on them. We must be up to the task by constantly innovating to offer more efficient products. Our equipment must be tough, durable, and move forward with them to serve you and to serve your community. We have developed and designed a range of reliable and efficient snow removal products. But we make more than snowplows. We also manufacture a series of high-end and efficient work tools. This is what 90 years of experience allows us to do. But who are we? We are designers, manufacturers, workers, engineers, and specialists. We have 90 years of experience and hard work, 90 years of knowledge and innovation. We are the heritage. We are Coté.